of a fun pattern called the Hawaiian Shirt Tissue Holder. It actually only takes 3 seams and a piece of fabric that is 4 by 30 inches. I'm going to use some decorative stitches from the Singer Sart 1304. We've been playing with this machine. We've done over 20 videos, and I'm going to just show you what it takes to sew one of these together. I'm going to use some variegated thread. I'm going to use a twin needle, which are all things that we've talked about in these classes. And so we do have a downloadable pattern. If you're interested, you can click the link below this YouTube video and download the pattern that has all the directions and also the sizes you cut these pieces. Now, I am going to start off with just some decorative stitches kind of for the front part of the Hawaiian shirt. So I've taken my piece of fabric and I've actually put some tearaway stabilizer in the front side. That is going to kind of be what I can decorate for the front of the tissue holder. We're going to sew a button on. Again, we're going to put the cute little collar on, and actually it doesn't take very long. So I'm going to just put my little creative hat on, and I'm going to embellish these pieces, and then I'll quickly sew it together so you see how fast it stitches out.